Thai garlic, everyone. And we need about 3 to 5 of the garlic. And how to do this? No peel with skin. Do like this. And no peel. Yeah, small one. Different type.
Oh, no.
But your garlic at home, you have to peel the skin first.
Yes, we do.
Garlic is more bigger, skin harder. Can you take the black garlic? That one not good. Throw it away. Yeah, the new one. Sometimes they have not very nice.
Ik heb echt veel op het eten dat ik een plank
Next one here, Pad See Ew Pad Thai, shallot, the red onion, and cashew nut chicken. You need the white onion. White onion, big chunk. So big chunk, big pieces. The red onion, small. Yeah. So you are cashew nut, right? Which menu you choose to do?
Sorry.
This one for you. That's Pad Thai.
I like that your knives are very sharp. I like that.
Yesterday, some people they bring home to, but you can bring the knife home, right? In the check bag.
Oh, I have no.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, maybe if
In check baggage, yeah.
Like this, everyone. But onion big pieces cut. Onion big, shallot small.
Kaas is nice.
It's good. Yeah,
Ice
it's good too.
cream.
Rice is good too. Yeah. Garlic, onion together, garlic, shallot together in one corner of your plate. I have a cookbook for you at the end of the class. These together. In the corner here. And yeah, you can follow this Pad Thai. Pad Thai, tofu. Tofu, cut it in 3 or 4, long way. Cashew nut chicken, chili. The red dry chili is not too hot. It's about centimeter long. It can be.
everything's good. Yeah.
And tofu, dice. Onion and garlic together. Chili, you can put on the top of the cashew nut. Is on the garlic tofu on the garlic. Put garlic and onion together, chili on the top of the cashew nut. Chive, garlic chive. Carrot,
What's it?
bislop.
Oh, okay.
Chive. This here different. This spring onion, chive. Flat, whole.
Yeah.
And this kale.
Dat is lent uit.
Both together.
Together.
Yeah, both together. You got only chai. That's your chai, cow chai. 1 inch long. Carrot freestyle cutting.
Okay. Sorry.
And on the top of the bean sprout. On the bean sprouts. You speak Cantonese? Oh, Cantonese.
We're actually from Nepal.
Nepal.
Yeah, we live in Nepal.
You live in Hong Kong, so you speak Nepali?
Yeah.
Okay. Nepal people like spicy.
Yes. Yes.
Nepal.
Where do my
Put this on the top of the cashew nut.
cashew nut?
On the top of the cashew nut. Yeah. Why I do like this? Go first, go next, go last. If you put together, this cook too long, not good. The vegetable have to go last. On the bean sprout, that's good. Carrots are nice. And then kale here. Like Thailand. Kale. Kale, it's about this size too. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Green, red, yellow. Bell pepper. In big cube too.
Cube?
Yeah. This water.
that?
What do you do that?
This is mine.
Jeff.
Yep.
I think it's.
Moment. Can I see that? This is where you. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So this way. I plan and think about to put the highlight the beer. You have seen that the beer something
Yeah.
that stick in there. Yeah.
We call them koozies.
Cozy, yeah, to make it different, like the Xingha beer, Shang beer, but they make you thirsty in the morning. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Yeah, yeah. And for pad Thai, 2 more ingredients. Who don't like this, don't add, okay? Shrimp.
No, it's going down.
Wow, tiny. Tiny
Maybe
little
shrimp.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Pad Thai only.
The hummus
You don't like it?
on top of the.
Pickle radish, daikon radish.
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, I like all this.
Yeah. Sometimes I need a picture to show.
Laatjes lekker.
Half spoon. In Hong Kong they say chai po.
Is it hot?
That one salty, that one sweet, salty, sour.
Okay.
Lấy cái kia đó là bánh mì bạn sẽ.
Yep. That's
And that's only for the pad thai.
yes, only pad Thai. And for cashew nut chicken, mushroom. The ear mushroom, long strip cut.
Oh, give us a radish.
Yeah, wood ear mushroom. Daikon rabanong radishin. Dice.
Sure. What's done to the radish?
Pickle.
Oh, pickle.
And the other bell pepper.
Oh,
Yeah.
I missed one.
Je is zo warm. Mensen vallen meteen van.
And the kale, 1 inch cut.
jou?
And
Ik zou hem even op afstand houden.
Ja.
bigger, bigger, bigger. That's good. Cut to the end everything. The leaf and the stem. But this stem here, how to eat.
Oh, okay. Slice.
Only the big stem cut this way, but the leaf cut the whole thing 1 inch.
Maar het is niet zo moeilijk om te maken.
Nee.
Yeah, 245 centimeter. Okay, baby corn. Baby corn. Freestyle cutting for you. You can do an angle.